Hi, my name's Yusuf Muhammad, and I'm a designer and an engineer. I also featured on the Big Life Fix, where I worked with a team of other engineers and product designers to come up with all sorts of solutions to solve problems in people's everyday lives. I'm going to talk to you today about revisiting your work and adapting it. This is a really important part of the design process because rarely are products great um, straight out the gate. Often you need to look back, revisit them, improve, and what we call iterate them in order to get a solution that is really powerful. Now, part of the reason that this is the case is because typically you would start with an idea, you'd start with an assumption. And as you go through the process and you learn more about the technology, you learn more about the problem you're trying to solve, and even you've had a chance to test your product or your prototype in real life, you get more information, and you've got to put this back into the process so you can improve it over time. So this process of iteration, where you're taking your idea, your assumptions, you're testing it in the field, you're reworking it, and you're taking it out to test it, this back and forth is so important to evolve the design beyond just an idea in your head to test to see how the world reacts to it. Now, I did this when I was developing a fire safety product. It was actually started as a project for my degree course. We even tested our design outside, putting out a fire with a jet washer on a barbecue. And from there, we went on to test further prototypes. We then created a product where we could install this water mist fire suppression system under a kitchen tap. And then finally, we developed a wall-mounted version of the system where it targeted the location of the fire. So this wouldn't have happened if we had been satisfied with the very first design, with the very first idea. So it's so important that you come back and you revisit it. I think sometimes just going away, taking some time off, when you return, you can kind of look at the problem again with fresh eyes, and it can really improve the outcome. So thanks for listening. Best of luck in your projects. And that's all from me.